right, hi everyone. This is Nick Mueller, your writing mentor for English 101, taught by Dr. Thomas Keane. And this video is about the revision workshops that are this week. So if you want to join one, by all means, message me on the Canvas platform or send me an email at mpmuell1, numeral 1, at asu.edu, and then we can schedule the specific time. I'm going to list the specific times in a comment to this video. That said, why would you want to attend one of these workshops? Writers in English 101, 102, 105 who attend these workshops, they tend to get better grades. So if that's something you want, then it may be worth attending. Also, if you're finding specific issues with your paper, either on your own in the editing process or from your peers as part of the peer review process, and you're unsure how to implement what's being said about your writing, the revision workshops can be helpful for that too. And I think the most important thing is that it's about you as writers, where as a writing mentor, I'm here to help you reach your writing goals. And we talk about what you want to talk about in your writing. There's not going to be any like, oh, this grammar stuff. I'm not going to do that to you. And it's not going to be a lecture from me. It's going to be about the things that you want to happen in that time. So if this sounds appealing to you, by all means, email me, message me on the Canvas platform, and complete the associated revision workshop sheet that I think you'll find it in module 3, so that I know exactly what you want to focus on. Workshops start as early as tomorrow, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thank you very much. I look forward to reading your work. Take care.